In the heart of the desert, where endless sands meet the horizon, begins a story not of survival, but of artistry and legacy. This is where our journey starts, moving from the majestic tranquility of the camel's domain to the grand halls of our atelier, where tradition is woven into every fiber. It is a narrative of transformation, where raw, untamed beauty is meticulously crafted into an icon of enduring style. This is the story of how nature's strength is reborn as timeless elegance, a testament to the hands that shape it and the spirit that inspires it. Our commitment begins with a profound respect for the source. We select only the finest camel hides, sourced ethically from nomadic communities where these magnificent animals have been companions for centuries. Each hide is a canvas, telling a unique story through its distinct texture and natural markings. Close examination reveals a grain unlike any other, a testament to a life lived under the vast open sky. This raw material, rich with character and strength, is the very soul of the jacket, chosen not just for its quality, but for the history it carries within its very fibers. The transformation from raw hide to supple leather is a delicate alchemy, a process honed over generations. In our tannery, these chosen hides are submerged in large, rotating drums, where a carefully guarded blend of natural agents begins its work. This is where science meets tradition. The tanning process, a symphony of time, temperature, and technique, gently softens the hide, enhancing its durability while preserving its unique, rugged charm. What emerges is not merely treated material, but a new substance, supple to the touch yet retaining all of its inherent strength, ready for the artisan's vision. Within the quiet focus of our workshop, the true artistry unfolds. Here, a master craftsman, his hands guided by decades of experience, begins the intricate dance of creation. With a practiced eye and unwavering precision, he lays the tanned leather upon his workbench. Every measurement is exact, every line drawn with intention. The sharp blade of his knife glides through the material, hand-cutting each panel with a confidence born from mastery. This is a solitary, meditative act, a dialogue between the artisan and the leather, preparing the individual pieces that will soon become a unified whole. The quiet hum of the sewing machine accompanies the next stage, the art of assembly. Piece by piece, the jacket begins to take form. The artisan's hands move with a graceful, rhythmic efficiency, guiding the leather under the needle. The stitching is more than functional. It is a design element, a line of strength and beauty that defines the jacket's silhouette. Every seam is perfectly aligned, every metallic zipper and custom-forged button attached with meticulous care. Slowly, methodically, a collection of precisely cut panels is transformed into a single, cohesive garment. Before a piece can bear our name, it must pass the final, uncompromising stage of its creation. Every stitch is inspected, every seam checked for perfection. The leather is carefully cleaned and polished, its natural luster enhanced to a subtle, luxurious sheen. The final, defining touch is the placement of our signature label, hand-sewn into the lining, a mark of authenticity and a promise of unparalleled quality. This final ritual is our seal of approval, a guarantee that the jacket is not just made, but perfected. Finally, the journey is complete. The finished jacket stands as a monument to the craft, displayed in its full glory. It is more than an article of clothing. It is a piece of wearable art, a second skin. When worn, it molds to the body, its perfect fit and luxurious feel a constant reminder of the hands that shaped it and the heritage it represents. From the vast desert to the artisan's bench, this is not just the creation of a jacket, but the continuation of a legacy, crafted to be worn, cherished, and passed down through time.